Hi friends, this video shows how to clear data and cache of YouTube app. Go to settings, select settings icon from top right corner, go down, select apps, select see all apps. So here you are seeing all apps installed in this device. From this list let me select YouTube, go down, select YouTube, go down. Here you can see the cache. Size of the cache is 4.46 MB. Size of the data is 5.18 MB. First I am going to clear this cache. Select clear cache. Select OK. Done. Then I am going to clear data. Select clear data. Select OK. Done. See, now it shows data 0. Size of the cache also 0. This way we can clear both data and cache. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.